Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to download and install Java JDK on your Windows 10 computer. So you need to open your browser and in Google do search for Java JDK download, and you need to open the first link that says www.oracle.com. Open that link. So right now Java Standard Edition 16 is available to download and install. So on the right hand side you have to click on JDK download. Once you click, you get this page. It's a license agreement page. Just scroll down to the bottom of the page and look for Windows x64 installer. On the right hand side you have the exe to download and install. So I'm just clicking this option now. So I have to put a check mark on it in order to accept the terms and condition and click download. Okay, looks like the file is got downloaded. Okay, let me go and install the downloaded exe file now. So I'm just clicking next. So this is the location where the application will get installed. I'm just clicking next again. Okay, the installation has been completed. I'm just clicking close. In order to validate the successful installation of Java, we have an option to do it. Just open command prompt. Once you open the command prompt, just type Java space hyphen and type version and hit enter. So right now you can see Java version 16 is successfully installed on my machine. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you back in next video. Bye bye.